So CNS is brain and spinal cord.
Oh, I thought you said SNS.
Oh, sorry.
No,
not your. And then we have your PNS. What does P stand for?
Peripheral.
Peripheral, so just all your other things.
Uh-huh.
What if I say your spinal nerves? Is that CNS or PNS?
CNS?
PNS.
Spinal
What if I
nerves.
say, what if I say your cranial nerves? CNS or PNS?
CNS?
PNS. Unless it's these exact words, it's going to be your PNS. So they show in your book.
So the nerves in your brain are the PNS because
Right. Your cranial nerves are PNS.
because the CNS is just the entire brain, like literally the brain, and then literally your spinal cord.
Right.
Okay.
So if it's your spinal nerves, PNS. So there's a picture in your book which shows it. And a lot of people will get those questions on the test wrong because it would make sense. But seeing this picture, central nervous system is your brain and your spinal cord. Cranial nerves are going to be your peripheral. Spinal nerves, peripheral. So anything that's not the exact words of brain and spinal cord are going to be your peripheral.
That's confusing.
Yep. So it has to be these exact words on the test. Okay, so we have something called glial cells.
So wait, the Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes, they're just myelin sheath?
They make it.
Okay.
So do you know what your glial cells do?
Yeah.
These are what?
The support cells that help out with functions and whatnot.
Yep, so we have a bunch of different ones. We have, I believe, 4 here. And 2 here. Yeah. That are all going to support your neurons. So we said Schwann cells were over here, right? And they make myelin sheath for your PNS. For your CNS, we have the oligodendrite, which make your myelin sheath. Oops.
Wait, why did you put an MS next to both of them?
Myelin sheath.
They're most,
Oh, myelin sheath.
yep. So for the neuron, they're going to make it.
Sclerosis?
Oh, no. Myelin sheath. Okay, and then we have some more that are going to protect from heavy metals.
Heavy metals?
Mhm.
And the music?
Yeah, sure. So in your CNS, they're going to be called your astrocytes.
Oh.
Those things.
Astrocytes and microglia are my favorite.
Are they now?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Because you can use those two
Satellite.
to try and cure more diseases, they're thinking. Like if you can program the support cells of neurons to do other things that are kind of beyond their capacity to do, you might be able to fix diseases like arthritis and those kind of things.
Oh, really?
I think that's an idea. Maybe I just made it up, but I'm pretty sure that's it.
It sounds cool.
I'm pretty sure it's an idea. That's like kind of maybe legit. They're trying to figure it out.
That'd be awesome.
That'd be super cool.
They could figure that out. Okay, so your astrocytes and your satellite cells kind of do the same function. They're going to protect from heavy metals. Astrocytes also,
Satellite cells.
they're just going to be another type of glial cells for your PNS. And the astrocytes are going to form your BBB, or your blood-brain barrier. And that's in your CNS.
And that just protects against toxins that would go in your brain? Or
Exactly.
the blood in not in your brain.
Kind of the toxins would be in your blood, and then we don't want that to enter into our brain.
Blood, what is it, blood?
Blood-brain barrier.
Or MSG.
We just don't want those in here.
Okay.
MSG?
It's like in food, and some people, their blood-brain barriers let it in to their brain, and so some people get headaches when they have MSG. So that's why, like, sometimes food will print like no MSG. People are like, oh, no MSG, that means it's healthier. So you're like, no, it's just if your blood-brain barrier is screwed up and it can't make that, so you don't get headaches.
Oh, okay. Good to know.
Okay, so those you only have 2 different types of glial cells that you'll want to worry about for your PNS. For CNS, it's going to have 2 more. We have ependymal cells. Ependymal. And what do those do? Cerebrospinal fluid. Microglial cells. You said one of the functions earlier. What was it? You said microglial ones? Oh, you were talking about how they can be formed of different things.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, so another function of them is going to be kind of, well, mainly stroke cleanup. Microglial are kind of, we're going to take the dead cells, take them away from the neuron.
So, like, I was reading in it, and it said something about, like, how, like, when there's microglial cells, and you do an autopsy, that's how you can tell those are microglial cells, because is that the one it was?
I'm not sure.
And, like,
Just saying you'll be able to see them,
there's
or?
like a lot of microglial cells, that means it was like going to a certain area to try to like clean up.
Yeah.
I guess. And so like that's how they could kind of see that there was problems with it.
Yeah, because if there's a bunch of these there, that means they're trying to clean something up, which means something bad happened. So yeah, that would make sense.